Hi, this is Monday, 11th of May 2015, and the time is 6:20 GMT, and I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is a markets overview video for 6 currency pairs and gold for the day. So we are starting from Euro USD. This is the H4 time frame. We see a cycle completed from the upper Bollinger Band to the medium Bollinger Band and down to the lower Bollinger Band. This is a full cycle. Half cycle from the upper to the median, and then from the median to the lower. It could be from the median to the upper again. Still a complete cycle. So we have it looks like we have a complete cycle on H4. But on daily we have a half cycle from the upper to Tenkan-sen, and the price has not approached the median Bollinger Band yet. So the pair wants to complete its correction down to the median Bollinger Band, its statistical validation plans on daily, but it may make an upward move, half cycle on H4 from the lower to the median Bollinger Band, or it may not be quite complete. It may reach only Tenkan-sen, jump above it, find resistance on Kijun-sen, and then continue going lower. I say this because the median Bollinger Band on H4 is already bent downwards. You can take any short position where the price is at the lower Bollinger Band on H4, so you have to wait if you want to position yourself short selling. But if you want to buy, then you have to go to smaller time frames like M15, and when all your entry criteria are met, buy from there. Here from M15 we see a bottleneck formed from the upper and lower Bollinger Bands, but although the price has closed above the median Bollinger Band and above Tenkan-sen, we don't see the median Bollinger Band forming a knee. We don't see a funnel, a strong funnel formed by the edges of the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands, and Chikou span has not crossed above past price action. We wait to see all these elements before we buy. And this is GBP USD. Let's go see the bigger picture. The price has touched the upper Bollinger Band on daily, and it looks like something sort of a correction has started, but let's see on weekly. On weekly the cycle is not actually completed because we want to see the price approaching upper Bollinger Band a bit more, but it depends. If the price wants to make a deep correction from here, it will it will attract the upper Bollinger Band. So if we look at the chart a month later, so back to daily, stochastics and the price action, everything looks quite bullish, and there is some space, although this spike here says a lot about the price's mood to make a downward correction for now. On H4 we see the cycle, the half cycle has started from the upper Bollinger Band down to the median Bollinger Band, so it's more reasonable to expect the cycle to be completed. So the half cycle to be completed. So it is you can take, although this is a correction, and usually the corrections we trade them from smaller time frames. So you can go to M15 and look for short entry criteria in order to enter and follow the move lower, or wait on M15 again and see if all buy entry criteria are met in case the price makes an upward move and continue making the statistical validation plans after that. In both cases, wait. You can't make any trading decision right now on H4, because even if you want to enter short on H4, you have to place your stop loss up here, and you have to place your take profit target a few pips above the median Bollinger Band, and the ratio between your risk and your reward makes this trade not profitable. You shouldn't take slightly bigger risk than your expected reward. It's not worth taking this trade. But if you go to M15, things change, and if you see here either the price crossing and closing below median Bollinger Band, below Tenkan-sen, median Bollinger Band and Tenkan-sen going down, and Chikou span going down, and stochastics going down, sell. If you see the price closing as it is above median Bollinger Band, above Tenkan-sen, but both median Bollinger Band and Tenkan-sen going up, and Chikou span going above past price action, and stochastics going up as well, buy. That might happen at the price level of 1.5434, so you still have to be a bit patient in case you want to enter long. To enter short, you can do that at 1.5407. Around that level, the price will give you, the market will give you all your short entry criteria. USD JPY. Let's see the bigger picture on daily. Half cycle. On daily, we see half cycle from the upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, and the other half cycle from the median Bollinger Band to the upper Bollinger Band. It practically was completed when this spike approached the upper Bollinger Band, but it is not unreasonable, and it's not impossible to see a new upward move till the price level of the upper Bollinger Band, as stochastics show on daily. And on H4, we see that the half cycle from upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band is complete. The other half from the median Bollinger Band to the upper Bollinger Band is incomplete. We have halfway for the price from the level where it is now at 119.90 to 120.10 to make the full cycle before deciding where to go next. I believe it's not worth taking on the H4. It's not worth taking this upward move. Now, if you go, because you have to place your stop loss below the median Bollinger Band, and your take profit target just a few pips below the upper Bollinger Band, so it's not worth taking this risk. Let's go to M15 and see the picture there. So on M15, you may see a nice wave here. So wait and let the price show you which direction to enter if you definitely want to trade the pair. Here we see that the price has closed above the median Bollinger Band and above Tenkan-sen, but in order to buy, you want to see both Tenkan Sen and median Bollinger Band going up, clearly going up. Chikou span goes up, that's perfect. You want to see stochastics going up, making a bullish crossover, and trail your stop loss below Kijun Sen, the blue line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. The opposite scenario is if price closes below median Bollinger Band and below Tenkan Sen, and if both lines are curved downwards and stochastics going downwards and Chikou span crossing below the past price action. That will happen even below Kijun Sen. So be very careful. Don't enter short unless all your criteria are met. But and the price, the market will lead and you will just follow. So enter short at the price level of 119.79. Approximately at that price level, Chikou span will be below past price action, and it will be even below the current level of Kijun Sen. Euro JPY. Let's see the bigger picture on daily. We have a half completed cycle, the downward cycle from the upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, half cycle, and this half cycle is on its halfway, it's on its middle. So we expect the pair to go a bit lower, and that would be a nice trade, giving you some nice profits, but of course you can take it from daily. Because on daily it's not worth taking. You have to place your stop loss up here and your take profit target above Kijun Sen, so the risk reward ratio is not good enough. So go to H4. Here we see the price has completed a full cycle from the upper Bollinger Band to the median half cycle and from the median to the lower half cycle. And now it probably wants to make a statistical validation upward move, either touching median Bollinger Band or approaching it. So for now, things look rather bullish on H4. So, but you can't make any trading decision on H4 yet. Of course, you can't enter short where the price is at the lower Bollinger Band, and you go to M15 here and look for either for a long entry or for a short, and things are looking bullish here. The price you want to buy when you see already a funnel, you see the median Bollinger Band making a knee. You only have to wait for Chikou span to cross above past price action in order to buy. So you want price above Tenkan Sen and above median Bollinger Band. Median Bollinger Band curved upwards, making a knee. Tenkan Sen going up, a funnel formed from the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands. Stochastics going up, and Chikou span having crossed above past price action. When that happens, enter long, buy, and trail your stop loss a few pips below Kijun Sen. You can follow the rule with Kijun Sen and lock your profits. In the opposite, if the opposite scenario happens, which is rather impossible, you want all these criteria reversed, but it's rather impossible for now. The price wants to go up, and probably it wants to make half cycle from the lower Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band on H4 before continuing lower. USD CAD. Let's see the bigger picture on daily. On daily, we see that the pair has been fighting gravity for a while, trying to uh, touch the median Bollinger Band and bend it, make it horizontal and bend it upwards. That's what it wants to do right now. Although all biases are bearish, let's see on weekly. On weekly, we see that although we had half cycle completed because the pair went from upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, and even it is on halfway to complete the other half of the big cycle on its way to the lower Bollinger Band. It may make some upward move approaching the median Bollinger Band, then falling lower. These are fluctuations, and although on the weekly they may look like huge, on smaller time frames they may look like huge moves, on the weekly it is not unlikely to expect a fluctuation before the price manages to hang below the median Bollinger Band, pulling it down and turning it, bending it downwards. On daily, we see this half cycle, it wants to be completed, and odds are that if the price approaches the median Bollinger Band, it may make a swing high and fall lower, or it may go all the way up to Kijun-sen and fall from there. All possibilities are open. So we definitely can take any trade from the daily, because the risk we have to take is too high, and there is no guarantee that the price has not completed its interaction with the median Bollinger Band, so there is no guarantee that it will continue higher, and the distance from where the price is and the median Bollinger Band is so small, it's out of question thinking of entering long from the daily. On the H4, we see that we had half cycle from the upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, and the pair has almost finished its other half cycle from the median Bollinger Band to the upper Bollinger Band. So it's not worth taking the trade now, although it looks like it wants to approach the 1.2149 price level, but taking this huge risk, placing your stop loss down here only for 20 pips, it's not worthy. So yes, it wants to go up for a little bit more, and then it will probably continue going lower, although this median Bollinger Band here bent upwards may support a strong upward move. We will see. So go down to M15 again and make your trading decisions from M15, because the risk is smaller and you can get a clearer picture, and although the move may not be huge, it will give you nice pips and the risk again will be smaller. So we see here that the upper Bollinger Band is curved downwards, is showing that the price doesn't want to go higher for now. It has been balancing on above and below Tenkan-sen for a while, but it has gone below, it has closed below Tenkan-sen. So if you see the price closing also below the median Bollinger Band, and both Tenkan-sen and median Bollinger Band go down, and Chikou span goes down and stochastics go down, then sell. That may happen at the price level of 1.2113. If you see that the price closes above Tenkan-sen and not only median Bollinger Band but also Tenkan-sen is angled upwards, Chikou span is already angled upwards, and stochastics go upwards, they make a bullish crossover, then buy, and that will happen at the price level of 1.2132. I suggest you are patient because it looks like the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands are approaching each other. This is the contraction is the first stage, the first step of the 4 steps of the bottlenecks and funnels system. So it may make a bottleneck which may last for a while, and it will eat up your time before it makes a funnel and a breakout. And nobody guarantees that the breakout will be to the direction that you assumed. So unless you see a very strong downward move, I suggest you wait for the bottleneck to be formed and for the funnel to give you clear evidence to for the direction where the price wants to go. You know your criteria, so you are covered. AUD USD. We see on the H4 time frame that half cycle is completed from the median Bollinger Band. A full cycle has been completed from the upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, from the median Bollinger Band. No, we had full cycle from the upper to the median, from the median to the lower, and then half cycle from the median to the from the lower to the median Bollinger Band, and another half cycle from the median to the lower Bollinger Band. So full cycle completed, and now we see that the pair wants to go up to the median Bollinger Band. That's what we see on H4. Let's look at the bigger picture on daily. On daily, though, we see that the pair touched the upper Bollinger Band and it started going down. So it has not completed its half cycle to the median Bollinger Band yet, although this spike here, as the price goes higher, it will look like, because the median Bollinger Band will go higher, it will look like the pair touched the median Bollinger Band. So yes, it's possible to see an upward move. Because theoretically the half cycle from the upper Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band, if the pair decides to go higher, then the median Bollinger Band will actually touch these spikes, so we can complete it, we can consider it completed. Let's go back to H4 now. This is a strong bullish candlestick, but you can't base any entry decisions on that. You can't make any entry decisions. Go to M15 when things will look clearer. So here on M15 we have a bottleneck already formed from the Bollinger Bands. You had the contraction of the Bollinger Bands, you had the bottleneck. Now you want to see the median Bollinger Band forming a knee upwards. The price has already closed above Tenkan-sen, above median Bollinger Band. You want to see Tenkan-sen and median Bollinger Band going upwards. You want to see a funnel, the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands turned outwards, and you also want to see not only stochastics going up but also Chikou span crossing above past price action. When that happens, enter long, buy, and place your stop loss a few pips below Kijun-sen. Kijun-sen is marginally where the upper Bollinger Band is right now. So if you enter when the next candlestick opens and everything looks bullish and Chikou span has also popped above past price action, then placing your stop loss in a distance from Kijun-sen, where Tenkan-sen right now is, wouldn't be a bad idea. So you trade with a small risk and you trail your stop loss as candlesticks close above the next candlesticks are bullish. Then you trail it. Then Kijun-sen will possibly start going up, and you will trail it and follow the morphology of Kijun-sen. Again, M15 is your time frame here, so you can minimize your risk and make sure 100% that you follow a fresh move and you follow it early enough. And let's have a look at gold. This is the daily. Let's see on the monthly. On the monthly, although it made some efforts to go up, the medium Bollinger Band says no, it wants to fall for now, it wants to go lower. So it don't get anything, any bullish picture from the monthly. On the weekly though, we had the fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross the previous week, and stochastics are touching each other with bullish intentions. So let's see, we don't have a bullish Kumo breakout on daily yet. What I had told you days ago, that the price will try to go around the body of the Kumo, and in the meantime a leading Kumo which is bullish has been built, and then price will kiss the lower border, and when it finds that the body of the Kumo which is above it is weaker, it's thinner, then it will make its attack and it will go for the breakout. Right now the picture we have on daily is not as bullish as we would like in order to make any decision to buy. And on H4 we had a swing high above the medium Bollinger Band, and the price has been balancing on the medium Bollinger Band, which is going down. So the price, if this candlestick closes below medium Bollinger Band and below Tenkan-sen, when the next opens Tenkan-sen goes down, then Chikou span will have crossed below past price action, and we will see a nice short trade in front of us on H4. So wait patiently on H4 to see all the short entry criteria met and enter from M15. On M15 we see that already we had a funnel, a bearish funnel. The price closed below medium Bollinger Band, below Tenkan-sen, Chikou span goes below past price action. You have medium Bollinger Band curve downwards, the funnel on upper and lower Bollinger Bands. You may enter when this candlestick closes, placing your stop loss a few pips above Kijun-sen and trailing it from there, or you may wait for a correction up to the medium Bollinger Band before you enter, but it's not bad to enter now and trail your stop loss following Kijun-sen. That will be a nice move because we have half cycle in front of us on H4, so the price may go all the way down to 1181.55, and now it's 1186.53. Very nice 50 pips for you. So yes, you can consider entering short from M15, trailing your stop loss above Kijun-sen. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a lot of happy pips during this week.